Hello viewers, today for unboxing and initial opinions we have a NEIKO set of screwdrivers, or screwdriver bits rather, and I got this because I needed some security bits to open a particular device that I have, and I have this iFixit set here which has a lot of exotic bits, but it doesn't have security bits, and I was going to borrow some from somebody just for this project, but then I figured with the amount of time that I spend opening things and repairing electronics, it certainly wouldn't go to waste if I bought my own set. So for $12 I found this. I thought it seemed like a pretty good deal. This has quite a few different things. A lot of it is duplicates of what's in the iFixit kit, but again, it won't go to waste. You know, if nothing else, I have it set upstairs and downstairs now. You can pause the video and read all that stuff if you so desire to. Made in China. Lovely. So let's open this up and see what we have here. So it looks like it comes in one of these plastic containers, and these always, the hinges, if you will, on these things always break because it's just flexing plastic. Why is that so yellowy? That's a little better, I guess. I don't know, is it? The white balance looks off to me. I think we'll go this way for this video. But anyways, let's see what we have inside here. This piece of parchment paper for whatever reason, and it looks like several of the items have come loose. This is just floating around there, so I guess this goes up in there like that, and this is over here. Okay, so I guess those are all supposed to be blank because no labels. So ultimately this is the bit that I really wanted out of this whole thing, and at the moment that's all I have an immediate use for it. But it's got a lot of interesting things in here. It's got this one which I can't say I've ever seen before. It's got a tri-head, which I'm not sure if that's in my other kit or not. The other thing about this is a lot of these bits are very small, but sometimes you do see these odd shapes on, you know, like small appliances, and so that's where these bits will kind of come in handy. There's a couple small ones, like these two are pretty small, but this isn't really something that I would say is meant for electronics repair, but that's fine because I've actually come across several fans that have odd bits, and I've needed some bigger items. I'm also not sure what these are. This looks like some weird, almost like an 8-sided kind of a thing. Now this case overall is extremely flimsy, which honestly for $12 I'm not surprised. Relatively poorly made as well. You can see where it was torn from the mold on the side there. It's kind of like that on this side as well. And you can see this whole thing, it just flexes. There's no real hinge per se, and so this will just snap over time. It's kind of a stupid cheap design, but whatever. A lot of these other, well, actually this one's not so bad, but actually that's completely different than I thought it was. Never mind, bad analogy. But anyways, so yeah, I mean the bits themselves, it's kind of hard to tell without using them, but they don't look like they're that poorly made. And they fit the screw nice and firm. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, the case is really cheap and probably won't last, but For $12, you get quite a bit of assortment of different bits, and it's got a good size range too. There's a lot of things you'll be able to open up with this kit.